Okay guys, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now let's quickly dive into this new airdrop just as Hamster Kombat. And you know that Hamster Kombat very soon is going to be listed. So it's very good for you to dive into some of these airdrop games once it is being released and once it is early. Okay, so this one is one of them now that is making a very good impression and also a very good move, just as Hamster Combat. Now the name is Gemz. So on games now, you also play the game just as Hamster Combat. And if you are to ask me if you are early, then you just have to know that you are early. Okay, so if you want to start right now, I won't tell you to just go to my description section and start playing this game, but rather calm down. Make sure you watch this video to end so that you are going to understand everything about these games before you start. Okay, now let us dive into the main purpose of this video. Then as I log in right now, I would like you to do something. All you just have to do is a very little task. Make sure you give this video a like. It's very important and is actually free of charge. You are not going to be charged for it, and it will also help YouTube to promote this video so that it's going to reach to more people who needs this video. So after giving it a like, then you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification so that you are not going to miss out on our updates. You can also join our social handles on WhatsApp and Telegram via the links on the description section of this video. Now to the main purpose of this video. The name of this game right here is Gemz. So right here on games, you accumulate points just as you did on Hamster Combat, okay, which is going to be converted on the day of listing, and then you can then withdraw to your bank account. And everything I see right over here is quite similar to that of Hamster Combat. Is quite very similar to that of Hamster Combat. Why do I say so? There's also the tap boat. So you can tap here, you tap, and then you get some points. And then except that, once you come over to the end section, there is also the, okay, sorry, not the end section, rather the mine section. So right here on the mine section, there is also the daily combo which you can accumulate, which you can get in order to claim 5 million coins. And by the grace of God, I'll try to see that I'm going to be bringing to you guys every single day these 5 cards which you need in order to claim these 5 million points or 5 million coins. Okay, so if you know that you want to be early on this, then no dullings, make sure you register right now. The link is already on the description section of this video. Register right now, and after registration, start mining, start tapping, start accumulating, start gathering. Those are all you just have to do. And then I'll also try as much as possible to keep you updated. Okay, I'll try as much as possible to keep you updated so that you are not going to miss out on any of their updates. If there's a new development on their system, I will try as much as possible to be the first to tell you guys this is the new development. Do this instead of this and do that instead of that. So that is the main importance why you should subscribe, turn on the notification, or you can also join our social handles where I'm going to be dropping the tips and the updates. Okay, so it's very simple, it's very easy. It hasn't been long I registered, so I'm yet to start accumulating much points for myself. And as you can see here, just as Hamster Kombat, they also have earning per hour. And then this is your main point. It is quite encouraged that you should not stack points here. So even as I've registered right now, after I must have done those my tasks like follow this page, do that, and then the points that I'm going to get, I'll try to use them to open these cards. And how do you open these cards? It's still the same thing as Hamster Combat. You can see this one is locked right here, this backpack. So backpack, now for you to open it, you need to raise, or you need to upgrade, requires what is this, requires in international or intern, I don't know, to level 5. So you have to upgrade that one to level 5. Immediately you upgrade it to level 5, automatically backpacks is going to open. So it's very it's very, very simple. Oh boy. Oh boy, making it big is very, very simple right now, but it's just for you to just put in your dedication. That's just it. I don't think there's any other thing. Put in your dedication, put in your time, and you are going to make it. It's very simple right now. So I don't think I have anything much to tell you, since you guys are very conversant about most of these games on Telegram. So I don't have much to tell you. After registration, they do give a power of 1,000, which you can exhaust, and if you want, you can also boost it. And it's recommended you boost it, so that you are going to certainly lose your some part of your points. But at the later run, you are still going to gain everything and start gaining extra. So that's just the game. Okay. So if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, you are missing a lot. Just make sure you subscribe. If you haven't given this video a like, hey, you are also missing a lot. You are missing that blessing that is awaiting you. Make sure you give this video a like and support our hustle. Thank you, and see you in my next video.